English is a crazy language. English can be a little crazy, right? Here's a perfect example. Food and flood. These two words look almost the same, but listen. Food, long O-O sound, and flood, short sound. Why do they sound so different? Food is what you eat, like pizza or rice. Flood is what happens when there's too much water. But don't try to eat a flood. It won't end well. Remember, English is wild, but you've got this. See you next time for more English fun. Follow me for more tips to make sense of this crazy language we call English.